Students, now we are in the topic circles, the lengthy chapter which is IMP, 22 marks, weighted IPA topic. Circles we are discussing. In previous class I said the relative positions and common tangents concept. Now I am going to discuss the example sums depends upon the common tangent concept. Already in previous class I said 3 examples. Example 3, page number 67 I have completed. Now I want to discuss with you example 4, page 67, example 1, page 68. Depends upon the theory whatever I said in previous class. Now example 4, show that the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0, comma, x square plus y square, 5 into x square plus y square, 5 into x square plus y square minus 8x minus 14y minus 32 equal to 0, touch each other, and find the point of contact. Find their point of contact. Find their point of contact. The two circles he given, we should prove that the two circles touch each other. Given circles I am writing. Given circles, let first circle equation x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Next to second circle s dash is equal to. First let us write C1 and C2. C1 means center 1. Center 1 equal to 2 comma 3 and radius 1 equal to 4 plus 9 plus 12, so it is 5. Next s dash equal to x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 8 by 5. We should divide with the 5. It is called as standardization. 8 by 5 into x minus 14 by 5 into y, 14 by 5 into y minus 32 by 5 is equal to 0. Now C2 I am writing. C2 you can write as 4 by 5 comma 7 by 5. R2 is equal to root of 4 by 5 whole square plus 7 by 5 whole square minus plus 32 by 5. This is 16 by 25 plus 49 by 25. 16 plus 49, 65 by 25 plus 32 by 5. 16 plus 49, so it is 65. 65 by 25 plus 32 by 5. That is equal to taken this 25 LCM, it divides 5 times 5 into 32, 160 plus 65, 225, 225 by 25, 9 root to 3, so R2 is 3. Now let us discuss the distance of C1, C2. C1, C2 distance is 4 by 5 minus 2 whole square. Otherwise 2 minus 4 by 5 whole square. So 5 to the 10 minus 4, 36 by 25. So 36 you write here plus 2 minus 7 by 3 minus 7 by 4 whole square. 5 3s are 15, 15 minus 7, 8 to 8 square is 64. So 36 plus 64 whole by 25. 36 plus 64 is 100, 100 by 25 is 4, 4 root 2. Now you can write R1 minus R2. Put modulus also. Modulus of R1 minus R2 is equal to 5 minus 3. Modulus of R1 minus R2, 5 minus 3, we got 2. Therefore, C1, C2 is equal to modulus of R1 minus R2. Whenever C1, C2 is equal to modulus of R1 minus R2, therefore, that given two circles touch each other internally, the condition. The given two circles touch each other. Given two circles touch each other internally. This is the diagram. The given two circles touch each other internally. This is the common tangent and this is the point of contact Px1, y1. I said that if the two circles touch each other internally, then to calculate the point of contact, we should count the ECS, external center of signature. Point of contact, here you write, point of contact is equal to ECS. ECS means external center of signature because the point of contact is outside of the both circles. Use the formula R1x2 minus R2x1 by R1 minus R2, comma R1 minus R1 by 2 minus R2 by 1 by R1 minus R2. That is equal to, what is R1 here? 5. This is the C1 is the x1 y1 point and C2 is the x2 y2 point. This is x2 y2 point. Depends upon the formula R1 x2 minus R2 x1 by R1 minus R2, right? Substitute the value here. 5 into 4 by 5 minus R2 means 3. 3 into x1 is 2 by R1 minus R2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now here you write R1 by 2. So 5 into 7 by 5 minus this is R2 y1. R2 3. 3 into 3 by this is 2. 5 get cancelled. 5 get cancelled. 4 minus 6 minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 it is minus 1 comma. Here 7 minus 9 minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 also minus 1. Point of contact is minus 1 comma minus 1. Yes. Example 4 completed. Let us discuss about page number 68, example 1. Example 1, page 68. Find the equation of pair of tangent from 10, 4 to the circle x square plus y square equal to 25. Find the equation of pair of tangents drawn from 10, 4 to the circle. Drawn from 10, 4 to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 25. We should calculate the equation of pair of tangents which are drawn from 10, 4. The equation of pair of tangents formula s1 square equal to s into s11. Draw a rough diagram like this. This is the point P x1 comma y1, 10 comma 4. We can write here as x1 comma y1. Let us discuss the equation of circle. Given circle, put S. Given circle S is equal to x square plus y square minus 25 equal to 0. Now S11 you write. S11 notation xx1 plus yy1 minus r square. What is xx1 here? X into 10, so 10x. Yy1 plus 4 into 5 minus 25. Yes, this is S1 not S11. S11 is direct substitution. Here you write as like this 10 square plus 4 square minus 25. Here 116, 116 minus 25, maybe 91, 116 minus 25. Yes, it is 91, 116 minus 25. Now, combined equation of pair of tangents. combined equation of pair of tangents. Combined equation of pair of tangents formula S1 square equal to S into S11. Now using this notations you write in the formula 10x plus 4y minus 25 whole square. 10x plus 4y minus 25 whole square is equal to 91 into x square plus y square minus 25 equal to 0. That implies, now you can write this one as a plus b whole square in the formula of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here you can write as 100x square, 100x square plus 16y square plus 625. 100x square plus 16y square plus 625 plus 2 10s are 20, 24s are 80. 80xy minus 2 10s are 20, 20 into 25, 500. 500x minus 2 4s are 8 to 8 25s are 200. 200y is equal to, now you can write this one, 91x square plus 91y square, 91x square plus 91y square minus 91 into 25. 91 into 25. Here 25 into 1 is 25 to 25 and 25 9 are 225. 225 plus 2 227. So 2275. It is minus 2275. These letters taken this side. Then you can write here 100x square minus 91x square is, it is 9x square. It is 9x square minus x square, later xy term we should write, plus 80xy. Next one minus, this is 16y square minus 91y square. So it is 75y square. 75y square. Next term minus 500x minus 200y minus 200y. Next this is 625 plus 2275. 25, 75, 100. So 23. 2275. Maybe this is 2, 3 and 700. So 2900 right here. 2900 equal to 0. This is the combined equation of pair of straight lines. This is the example. Sometimes he can ask that find the angle between the pair of tangents. According to pair of straight line concept, the pair of straight line which is not passing through the origin is S, the second degree general equation. S is equal to ax square plus 2hx square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fa plus c equal to 0. In the similar model, this is not passing through the origin, this is the pair of two lines. The pair of two lines is nothing but ax square plus 2hx square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fa plus c equal to 0 in the model we got. Among the pair of lines, if he asks the equation, the angle between two tangents, of course he did not ask, he did not mention in this question. I am saying to you the question because in exercise the question is there, he mentioned that cos theta also. Find the angle also he asked. That is why I am giving homework that question. Now I am saying this question, try to understand and do the work. Angle between the pair, directly I am writing. Angle between this pair. Angle between the pair of lines. Here pair of tangents. Angle between the pair of tangents. We need, if cos theta formula, you write cos theta. If you ask him tan theta, you write tan theta. Otherwise sin theta also you can do. But general notation is cos theta between the angle between the lines. Angle between tangents I am writing as cos theta is equal to a plus b by root of a minus b, a plus b by modulus of a plus b by root of a minus b plus 2h whole square. 4h square is there. Now you can write here cos theta is equal to a plus b here. What is a? 9. What is b? Minus 75 over modulus by root of a minus b whole square. So it is 9 plus 75 whole square. 9 plus 75 whole square plus what is the 2h here? 80. Direct 80, you write 80 whole square. This is not 19 students, this is 9 minus 75 modulus. So 66 you write here. By this is 84 whole square. 84 whole square plus 80 whole square is 6400 over root. 84 into 84 you calculate. 4 4s are 16, 1 4 is 32, 1 33. This is 8 4s are 32, 3 8 is 64, 3 65, 6 this is 5, this is 8, 6 8. 6 8 5 6 plus 6400. 6 5 12 1 6 1 7 7 6 13. 13,256. Maybe root is there. So we write simply like this. Theta is equal to cos inverse of 66 by root of 13,256. If any chance is there, you calculate by taking 16. By taking 16 into like this. If 16 will be dividing, 16 into something will be getting cancelled like that. If possible is there, get it cancelled. Otherwise, simply leave it, no problem. Tan theta, if you want to calculate tan theta, the angle between two lines, tan theta is equal to, use the formula 2 root h square minus a by modulus of a plus b. This is the level 175-76 question. This much calculation you should do, and otherwise you can verify the option also in objective. Okay, one sum I said, remaining sums you can do homework. Now we are entering into exercise 1E concept. Exercise 1E. Exercise 1E is the last exercise of the circle chapter. 1 7-mark question, 100% 1 7-mark question will be getting in this exercise. First 7-mark question will be awarded from that exercise 1A, and second 7-mark question 99% he will be giving from this exercise 1E. Exercise 1E. Exercise 1E. Let us put a schedule. Roman number 1. First one. Among Roman number 1, general number 2, second one. Roman number 2. In 1, first one. 2, 3, 4 also. Okay, now discuss the relative positions of pair of circles. He is asking, discuss the relative positions. Discuss the relative positions of circles. Discuss the relative positions of circles. X square plus y square. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. And x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26. X square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y. X square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 equal to 0. Simply you write here C1. C1 formula 2, 3 and R1 equal to 5. Here you write C2 is equal to minus 3, minus 9 and R2 equal to 9 plus 81, 90, 90 minus 26, 64, 64 root 8. Now calculate C1, C2. The distance between this 2 plus 3 whole square, it is 25. 3 plus 9 whole square, it is 144. So it is 13. Now you write R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2 is equal to 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 equal to 13. Therefore, C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Whenever C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2, circles touch each other externally. It is the position. Circles touch each other externally. This is the rough diagram. Touch each other externally. This is 2 marks question. First one completed. Now, first in that second one. First Roman, second one. Find the number of possible common tangents he is asking. Find the number of possible common tangents. Number of possible common tangents. Of circles. Find the number of possible common tangents of circles. X square plus y square. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Minus 4x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0, comma x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. Minus 6x minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. In the same process of first question, you should calculate center 1, C1 equal to 2 comma 1, R1 equal to G square plus F square minus C over root 4 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled is 2. Now you write here C2. C2 is equal to 3 comma 2 and R2. R2 is equal to 9 plus 4 minus 4. So it is 3. Now you calculate C1 C2. C1 C2 is equal to root of 3 minus 2 whole square plus 1, 2 minus 1 whole square plus 1, 1 plus 1 equal to root 2. 1 plus 1 equal to root 2. So now R1 minus R2 you do. R1 minus R2 modulus is equal to 1 and R1 plus R2 is equal to 5. So you can understand that R1 minus R2. Modulus of R1 minus R2 less than C1 C2 less than C1 C2 plus less than R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2 is 5. Root 2 means 1.414. So it is 1.414 less is greater than 1. So this is the condition. 1 less than root 2 less than 5. So the position is 2 circles intersect. This is the position. 2 circles intersect. Two circles intersects. He is not asking about position. He is asking about tangents. We can draw number of tangents equal to 2. In 2015 JEE mains he asked the question, same question. Number of IPE question he asked in 2015. So it is very easy. Just to see, depends upon C1, C2 and R1 plus R2. Number of common tangents. How many tangents can be drawn? He is asking. Number of common tangents equal to only 2. That's all. This is the JEE question in 2015. So mains also he is asking some easy questions in circles. Of course. So much tough questions are also there in level 3. We should prepare everything, depends upon the subject. Now let us discuss about this one completed, this one completed. Roman number 2, first question. Page number 70. Page number 70, Roman number 2, first question is there. Show that the circles. Roman number 2. First one, first question. Show that the circles. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Comma x square plus y square plus 2x x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 equal to 0. Touch each other. Touch each other. Find the point of contact. Find the point of contact and equation of common tangent at the point of contact. Find the point of contact and equation of common tangent. At the point of contact. He is asking that show that the circles touch each other. Whether the circle touches internally or externally, he did not mention. Now, let us going to discuss about the condition of C1, C2 or R1, R2. C1, C2, R1, R2 concept. Given circles. First one, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Let us discuss here C1, R1. C1 equal to 3, 1, R1 equal to root of 9 plus 4 minus 1. 9 plus 4, 13, 13 minus 1, root 12. So it is 2 root 3 or root 12. Next one, x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 equal to 0. Here I am writing C2 as minus 1 comma 4. Minus 1 comma 4 and R2 is equal to 1 plus 16, 17 minus 13, 4, 4 root 2. Here x square. 9 plus 4, that's, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 minus 1, it is 10 minus 1, 9 root 3, this is 3 here. Now calculate C1, C2. C1, C2 is equal to root of 3 plus 1 whole square, 16, plus this is 9. So it is 25, you can write it is as 5. Now next step, R1 plus R2 is equal to 3 plus 2, it is 5. Therefore, we got the value as C1 plus C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Whenever C1 plus C1 C2, not C1 plus C2, C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2, then the two circles touch each other externally. Draw the rough diagram. This is asking the point of contact. Therefore, two circles touch each other externally. Two circles touch each other externally. Point of contact. Whenever two circles touch each other externally, point of contact is equal to ECS. No, it is ICS. Because two circles touch each other externally, whenever two circles touch each other externally, the point of contact lie between the circles. Point of contact is equal to ICS. ICS formula I am writing R1x2 plus R2x1. R1x2 plus R2x1 by R1 plus R2, comma R1y2 plus R2y1 by R1 plus R2. Here x1, y1 means the center C1 and x2, y2 means the center C2. This is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. Using the formula I write ICS is equal to, ICS means point of contact P is equal to R1 x2. So it is minus 3, 3 into minus 1 plus R2 x1. R2 means 2, 2 into 3, so it is 6 by R1 plus R2, so it is 5. R1 y2, R1 y2, so 3 into 4, 12 and 12. This is y2. R1 y2 plus R2 y1. R1 3 plus 4 plus 2 into 3. 2 into 3 6. 12 plus 6 by 5. R1 y2 plus R2 y1. R2 2 into 2. Only 2, not 6. 12 plus 2. R1 y2 3 into 4 plus R2 y1 2 into 1. 12 plus 2. Okay. Now you can write 6 minus 3. 3 by 5. 12 plus 2, 14, 14 by 5, 14 by 3 by 5, comma 14 by 5, R1 plus R2, R1 x2 plus R2 x1, correct. Now equation of tangent, equation of common tangent I am writing. Equation of common tangent yet 3 by 5, comma 14 by 5 you can write. Using first circle, using s equal to 0, that is first circle. Put s here, the name. Using s equal to 0, the formula is s1 equal to 0. S1 notation is xx1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus ym plus c. Here x into x1 meaning 3 by 5. Plus y into it is 14 by 5 plus g means there minus 3, minus 3 into x plus 3 by 5 minus 1 into y plus 14 by 5 plus 1 equal to 0. We can take LCM as 3. So 3x plus 14y minus, by taking LCM, you can write 3 5s are minus 15x. Minus 15x minus 9 minus 5y minus 14 minus 5 equal to 0. 3x minus 15x minus 12x, 14y plus 5y plus 9y minus 9, 9, 14, 23, 23 and 5, 28. Minus 12 and this is 14 minus 5, this is only 9, that's all, minus 9 upon 14, 23 and by 28. That implies we can write here 12x plus 9y, 12x minus 9y plus 28 equal to 0. This is the equation of common tangent. Next, let us discuss about Roman number 2, 1 completed. In this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, Roman number 2, 1, show that the circles, Roman number 2, first question, first I said, second one you do. Now, I want to discuss with you 2, 3, 4 sums. In Roman number 2, 2, 3, 4. In Roman number 2, general number 2. Find the equation of circle. Students, this is important. In level 2 objective was also same question is there. Same question. Important 7 mark but so easy question. IMP 7 mark. Given an IP, find the equation. Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle which touch. Find the equation of circle which touches the circles. Find the equation of circle which touches the circle, not circles. Which touches the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 equal to 0 externally. Minus 20 equal to 0 externally at 5 comma 5. At 5 comma 5 with radius 5. At 5 comma 5 with radius 5. Find the equation of circle which touches the circle, this circle. We should calculate the equation of other circle, the other circle which is touching this circle at 5 comma 5 and the radius is 5. Let us draw the diagram, then you can understand. Like this you draw. This is 5 comma 5. So at 5 comma 5 it is touching. This one to find out whatever the circle we should calculate, this is to find out circle. This is C1. This is given. Given circle is as x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. This is the given circle. This one you should calculate. Join like this. C2 here. C1 we can say using that center, this is 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. Here I am writing as C1 is equal to 1 comma 2. So R1 is equal to, using this one, E square plus F square minus it is 5. So this is 5. Whenever two circles are touching each other externally, here two circles touching each other externally. Did you ask? Yes, externally. Whenever two circles touch each other externally, then we can understand that the condition is C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Condition I am writing. Condition is C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. This is C1. This is R2 you can write. This is R1 you can write. So whenever C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2, we can exactly say that the point of contact is midpoint, because the distance, this is R1 and this is R2. Same, the C1, C2, the 5 comma 5 is dividing into two equal parts, because C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Therefore, I am writing, therefore 5 comma 5 is midpoint of C1, C2. 5 comma 5 is a midpoint of C1 comma C2. Let, here only I am writing, let C2 is equal to H comma K or alpha beta, anything you can write. Let C2 is equal to, you write here H comma K. That implies, using the midpoint concept, you can put here as 5 plus 5 is equal to H plus 1 by 2. Of course, he said, students, R2 also 5. It is absolutely midpoint. 100% we can say, because this is 5, this is 5. So no need to think anything. 5 comma 5 is midpoint, that's all. This is to find out circle. Therefore 5 comma 5 is midpoint of C1, C2. R2 also given as 5. Now you write H1, H plus 1 by 2 comma H plus 1 by 2 comma K plus 2 by 2. So 5 comma 5 is midpoint of C1, C2. Then H you can calculate as 2 5 is 10, 10 minus 1 is 9. H equal to 9. This is K plus 2 by 2 is equal to 5, K plus 2 is equal to 10, K is equal to 8. Now you write as C2 is equal to 9 comma 8 and R2 is equal to 5. First we know that equation of circle in general form, that x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to R square. Now you can write equation of circle. Equation of circle. Within bracket required I am writing. So required equation of circle. Required equation of circle is x minus 9 whole square. X minus 9 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square equal to R square means 25. By expanding this we get x square plus y square minus 18x minus 16y plus 9 square means 81. 81 64. 81 64 145. 145 plus 20 minus 25. 120 equal to 0. This is IMP objective bit. Now, depends upon this question. Another question is there. Let us discuss about the second question model. Students, Roman number 3 question, Roman number 3 first question is there. We can say this question now. Roman number 3 first question. Roman number 2 said, I said now, 3, 4 leave, we can discuss tomorrow because it is lengthy sum. Now Roman number 3 first question. Depends upon same concept. If shortcut is not there for this one, we should do the process. Roman number 3 first question. Find the equation of a circle. Find the equation of circle which touch. Find the equation of circle which touches. Find the equation of circle which touches the circle. Which touches the circle. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Yet minus 1 comma 1 internally, minus 1 comma 1 internally with a radius 2, with a radius of 2. With the radius of 2. Radius of 2 means 2 units. Let us draw the diagram. Find the equation of circle which touches the circle at minus 1 comma 1 internally. This is internal circle, you should calculate. This is the point of contact P. Whatever the circles, whenever the circles touches internally, the point of contact is ECS. So ECS is given. P minus 1 comma 1. This is ECS of circles. Minus 1 comma 1. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. This is C1. This is C2. The condition is C1, C2 is equal to modulus of R1 minus R2. Here there is no midpoint concept. Given circle ambiguity. Given circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. You can write C1 equal to 2 comma minus 3. R1 equal to 4 plus 9, 13 plus 12. So this is 5. R2 given as 2. Let C2 is equal to H comma K, you write. R2 equal to 2, he given ICS. So this is ECS is equal to P is equal to minus 1 comma 1. This one also given. Whenever two circles touch each other internally, then point of contact is ECS. Now you write the formula. ECS formula R1 x2 minus R2 x1. R1 x2 minus R2 x1 by R1 minus R2 comma R1 by 2 minus R2 by 1 by R1 minus R2. So using that formula, you can write as here minus 1 comma 1. This is the ECS. What is R1 here? 5. 5 into x2 means H. Minus R2 means 2. 2 2s are 4 by R1 minus R2 is 3 comma 5 into K. 5 R1 by 2. So it is 5K. Minus 2 into minus 3. So it is plus 6 by this is 3. So by cross multiplication we can get here minus 3 equal to 5H minus 4 and 3 equal to 5K plus 6. Students, in previous sum also we can do this method using R1x2 plus R2x1 by R plus R2. But easy method is there because radius 2 radii are equal, they are 5, 5 given, that is why I have taken midpoint. No need to get confused, you can do in this method also, you will be getting the answer. But midpoint is easy. Here there is no question of midpoint concept, that is why we are doing this method. Now 5h, here we can write. 5h is equal to minus 4 plus 3, it is 1. So 1 by 5 we can write. 5k equal to 3. Therefore C2 you write. C2 center h comma k. C2 formula h comma k is equal to 1 by 5 comma 3 by 5. Equation of circle. Required equation of circle. Required equation of circle, general form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. R means he given the radius as 2. Now you can write this one, x minus 1 by 5 whole square, x minus 1 by 5 whole square plus y minus 3 by 5 whole square equal to 4. That implies we can write by expanding this one as x square plus y square minus 2x by 5 minus 6y by 5 plus 1 by 25 plus 4 by 25. 1 plus 4, 5 by 25. 5 by 25 becomes 1 by 5. 1 by 5 minus 4 equal to 0. That implies you can write as by taking LCM as 5. 5 into x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 1 minus 20, you can write here minus 19 equal to 0. 5 into x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus minus 19 equal to 0 is the required equation of circle for the Roman number 3 question. Okay students, Roman number 2, 3, Roman number 2 third question and fourth question are heart of the circle chapter. Most IMP questions let us discuss in tomorrow class. Okay.